How to import clips into CapCut project. Let's get started. Launch your CapCut app. You will land to this kind of interface. Now over here you're gonna find the option of sign in. You can easily sign into your CapCut account and use it, or also without signing in you can easily use CapCut app. Click on this option of new project. Now over here you can find this option of import. You have to click on it. From here you can easily select the video that you want to import to your CapCut project. Just select the video and then click on the option of open. You will find the selected video over here. If you want to import other videos, you can click on this option of import. In order to edit this video, click on this plus icon. Now you are able to edit this video. If you want to add other videos as well, click on this option of import, and with that you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily import clips to CapCut project. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.